First line. A bear is a large and strong wild animal. Second line. Bears live in forests, mountains, and cold regions. Third line. They have thick fur that keeps them warm. Fourth line. Bears eat fruits, fish, honey, insects, and plants. Fifth line. Some bears also hunt small animals for food. Sixth line. Polar bears are white and live in the Arctic. Seventh line. Bears can climb trees and swim very well. Eighth line. They sleep for a long time during winter, called hibernation. Ninth line. Bears are intelligent and powerful animals. Tenth line. We should protect bears and their natural habitats.